Hi everyone, it's Power Wash Store Central PA. Today we're working on some builds here for one of our customers, one of our PA customers, Spray and Splash. We're going to be reworking this 6-foot drop-in skid here. What you can see here, we've already taken the hot water machine off of this drop-in skid, and we're going to be doing some service on the machine first, oil changes, filter changes, and then we're going to be putting that machine into the box truck that you see in the back. We will be adding to this skid unit, we're going to be adding one of our Pro Cubes, which is the combination booster pump and pressure washer. So that's going to be an interesting build here. Currently this skid has the water purification system on it. There's a 12-volt cleaning system in the toolbox. And then we have a 100-gallon tank, a 55-gallon tank, and a couple soap tanks there. We're going to be changing out the 55-gallon tank. We're going to be adding a 100-gallon tank to replace that, just to free up a little bit more space with using our slimline tanks. And then we're going to take that hot water unit. We are going to stick it in the box truck here. It'll go back there along the wall. Of course, we're going to have to do some working with the exhaust systems. We're going to go either through the ceiling or through the floor. We have a 200-gallon Hydrotech tank here, and then hose reels are going to be stacked here at the door. They're going to be four 18-inch electric Titan hose reels that will be stacked there. We come back to the back of the truck here. Another skid we have sitting in the shop. In the back of the truck here is going to have actually one of our mid-size skids in it. This is a 1-horsepower booster pump. This has the Control Wizard, Pro Switch, Proportioner. We are going to be making a change here. This currently has the two 12-inch hose reels on top of the box. We're going to be removing those and replacing it with another one of these 48-inch toolboxes. Then on the skid, we have 3 soap tanks, which are back behind the toolbox, and then 2 100-gallon tanks. So as this build progresses, we will show you the updates and the progress that's being made. Give me a call, 717-378-2276, and check out our website, powerwashstorepa.com.